Hello, my name's Lachlan. I work for Salop Drains. I'm just a drainer operative, and this is a piece of equipment we bought off Re-Tec, and it's quite frankly it's been bang on ever since we've got it. So we've used it a lot, and it's come in clutch every job we've had. So I can't. There's nothing I can doubt with it at the minute, mate. It's bang on. It is. It's one man operative. It's spot on, mate. Everything. The ends are changeable. So we've used the flail, from the 9-inch flail, 4-inch flail, sandpaper, and also, yeah, it's just this. At the minute we're running just a cutting head, right? Yeah, so we're doing some 2-inch cast iron pipes in a hospital at the minute, and that's working bang on currently. Obviously, this is a piece of equipment that it's so easy to use, it's robust, easy manoeuvrable. Best thing about the machine is every time I've come to use it, it hasn't failed us, you know what I mean? I just think it's a good piece of equipment. I've used plenty of other things in the past. I've been doing this for 10 years, ever since I left school, since I was 16, and this has blown everything out of the water, really. It's a top bit of equipment, really, mate. The other machines have been loud, have been a bit noisy. I've had a couple of occasions where the wires have twisted up inside, but this is yet to fail me, and it's been spot on. Re-Tec, I've been here the last couple of 2 years, and Ben's used them prior to that. So we use a lot of the patch lining kits, pipe stock kits. We've used a lot of them. They come in handy a lot. But all sorts of sizes with the patch kits. We do a lot of lining. So, and obviously these two work hand in hand together. Yeah, well, mate. Honestly, Paul and yourself are top blokes, and you know what I mean. If we ever got problems or have any issues, we're straight on the phone to you. You're always there. Give us the best advice, what we need for what job.